Network security trends. Did you know that hackers are now using different technologies to create faster and smarter threats? But guess what? We can fight fire with fire. Welcome back to Ore Technologies. In today's video, we'll talk about how new network security trends are working together to protect your data from these evolving threats. Let's look at the top network security trends. First, hybrid mesh firewalls. These firewalls are built for today's complex network environments with hybrid IT networks combining corporate sites, cloud environments, and remote access. Hybrid mesh firewalls coordinate security across all these areas. Pros: unified security across cloud and on-premise environments. Scalability for businesses of all sizes. Cons: can be complex to manage, may need specialized expertise for full deployment. Hybrid mesh firewalls offer coordinated protection for your entire IT infrastructure, perfect for businesses with multiple security surfaces. Second, secure SD-WAN. This technology connects remote and branch locations securely while providing cloud-first protection. SD-WAN is the backbone of Zero Trust architecture, ensuring only authorized users can access the network. Pros: simplifies management across networks, extends protection to hybrid workforces. Cons: requires strong network setup, may increase latency for some applications. With secure SD-WAN, your remote team stays secure without compromising on performance. Third, unified SASE. Let's talk about unified SASE, Secure Access Service Edge. Unified SASE combines networking and cloud security solutions to protect distributed networks. It ensures that no matter where users are, they always have secure access to applications and data. Pros: seamless integration of networking and security, reduces latency for better user experience. Cons: implementation can be complex, relies on cloud connectivity for full functionality. Unified SASE is great for organization transitioning to cloud-first environments, providing seamless security across all access points. Fourth, universal ZTNA, Zero Trust Network Access. Zero Trust assumes nothing is trustworthy until proven otherwise. Universal ZTNA extends these principles, verifying users and devices before every application session, ensuring secure access from anywhere. Pros: secure connections regardless of location, reduces risk of unauthorized access. Cons: may have some challenges in remote or low quality connections, can impact user experience if not configured correctly. Universal ZTNA is perfect for today's hybrid work environments where users and devices can be anywhere. And there you have the widely used network security trends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any question about AI and network security. Stay safe out there and thanks for watching.